In the fourth and final exercise, we're just going to check out the text tool. So let's zoom in. We can use our paintbrush or our pencil tool to label this section 4. And then you're going to go over to the T symbol for the text tool. Now, just as all your tools, you have a property tab, and under object you can see where you can adjust the size of your font. You can choose from many of the fonts that they have available. There's a ton here to check out, so just look around and see what suits your fancy. I would recommend size 55 for the font or larger, and then choose a font that is on the thicker side because we're going to be modifying these a little bit. You can also use the selection tool to click and drag your font box to reposition it where you want it to go on the page. So I'm going to select a larger font with a thicker font size. I'm going to click on my font and drag it over so that I have my name more centered in the box. You can use the fill color once you have selected your font to change or choose different fills. In addition, there is the choice to change the paragraph style, just like you would in a Word document. Last, I want you to scroll all the way down to the filters section. If you hit the plus sign, there's a drop-down box, which is getting cut off on the screen, but there's a ton of choices. And you can add drop shadows, blurs, and many other customizable features to your font. And so just check those out and see what you can do. To turn in this assignment, I actually want you to save the assignment a couple of ways. First, we're going to save it as a Adobe Animate file. So we're going to go to File, Save As if we've never saved before, and we're going to save this to our desktop. I do recommend that you make a folder titled Animations to organize your working animations and animation files in. Now, if you add to your file at any point in time, even if you add just a little bit, you can go to File, Save to update this existing file. We can't turn this into Google Classroom though, so we're going to go to Export, Export Image to create an image file to turn in. We're only going to worry about the file type, so we're going to click here and choose JPEG, and we don't need to change anything else. We're just going to hit Save, and just like before, we're going to choose our desktop, and you'll see that has that JPEG ending, and we're going to go save this in our animation file. We can now go to Google Classroom, and you will be able to upload your practice JPEG file showing your image with your 4 quadrants done. So you're going to show me the shapes, and you're going to show me your work with lines and paintbrushes, as well as your name in quadrant 4.